Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites: a working Docker file, app running locally, and a linked Git repository. Once ready, log into Render and connect your Git provider so Render can pull commits automatically. Then create a new Docker web service, select the repo and branch, and set the root where the Docker file lives. This first step triggers build settings. Make sure to choose the correct Docker file path and environment. Doing so avoids common build failures and speeds up subsequent deploys. Once the service exists, you configure build and runtime details. Choose CPU, memory, and instances to match your app's needs. Next, add environment variables and secrets through Render's dashboard rather than committing them to code. This secures credentials and adjusts behavior per environment. Then specify the start command and exposed port, plus an optional health check path to let Render know when your container is ready. These settings control how builds run and how traffic is routed, so set them deliberately. You trigger the deploy by pushing changes or clicking deploy, then watch the live build and deploy logs in Render's console. Once deployed, open the service URL and verify endpoints and health checks. Use logs to trace runtime errors. If something fails, first inspect the Docker file's CMD and exposed port mapping, then confirm environment variables and secrets. If build errors persist, rebuild locally to reproduce. One key troubleshooting tip: misconfigured port or start command is the most common culprit.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.